Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Tonight we're going to actually do an unboxing. This is actually my very first unboxing from Distracted by Diamonds. I basically if you go on, I believe it's on Etsy, and you go under either Distracted by Diamonds or you look under Paddywaxx and you will find them. They sell a little bit of everything. So they have like scented Paddywaxx, all kinds of diamond paintings, cover minders, mugs, pens, etc. And the paintings usually go very fast. So I've been, when you go to a website or Etsy or whatever, and you're like, you have your finger, you want to order something, but you're still not sure, but you want it, but I guess you're not sure. But yeah, I've been wanting this one for a very long time. So I finally decided to get it. Yeah, so this was called Soul of the Rose by John Waterhouse, 1908. It is around. Okay, so I decided to order also, because you have the choice if you want to order some crystals or ABs. So I decided that I wanted to try that also. Love the box. So let's just take this out first. Okay. Like what she did. She put all the ABs or the crystals, because to tell you the truth, I don't even know. I don't even remember what I ordered. I think what they do is they suggest that you could add these. And I said, why not? Right? I'll try it out. Okay. Got some tape here. Oh, another tape here. Oh, there it goes. Very nicely wrapped. That's good for safety, so you won't lose them. Okay. And of course, this is the packaging. So let's take this off. As you can see, the box is actually protected with a plastic covering. Look at this. It's a beauty. It says Distracted by Diamonds. I love the box. I love the colors. It says Smile, Sparkle, and Repeat. And of course, it has a picture. Very, very pretty. And then in the back, it has the instructions, step by step. All right, so let's get the plastic off. This is going to be a big one, guys. So let's get this open here very quickly. And they're pretty fast. I've had this since I think the beginning, or not the beginning, maybe I ordered it in the beginning of May. And I think it was here like less than 7 days. So they're pretty quick. Okay. Lots of protection. So let's open this here. What's in the box? Okay, let's see. Ooh, I like that already. Oh, wow. This is big, guys. It is a big one. All right, so you got a pen here, a pink pen. I believe this is a 6 or 7 placer, so you can pick up 6 or 7 drills at a time. Okay, what's in here? Okay, very cute shape. This is for your drills. It's actually a tray, but a heart shape. Very pretty color. And I love that it's a Distracted by Diamonds washi tape. See that? Get this a little closer. And of course, some wax, heart shape. All right, so let's put this away. I love the color. It's like a teal or aquamarine. Very nice. Of course, the painting comes in a plastic bag also to protect it while it's traveling. And the drills are inside the painting, the canvas. Okay, let's get the drills out of here. Wow. Anything else in here? Yeah. Let's see if I can get it out. It's been in here for a while, like I said. Okay, there it goes. I think that's it, right? All right, let's put this down. So, wow. This is huge, guys. So it says Smile, Sparkle, and Repeat. Then it tells you a little bit about the company. Soul of the Rose by John Waterhouse, 1908. Please visit my Etsy shop where you'll find along with my paintings, handcrafted scented diamond painting waxes and fun accessories to enhance your painting experience. And then here you have the individual pre-cut stickers for your containers. Cool. All right. What I loved about this so far, guys, is when I ordered, well, let's look quickly at the drills. Look at the drills. Wow, that's a lot, guys. And this is basically, I think this is the size of the painting. It's a 62 centimeters by 96 centimeters. All right. So look at this. Oh, and the great thing about this, it comes in already in the individual bag. So just in case you don't want to put them in containers, you could actually leave them in here. You can see all the colors too. All right, let's move this aside and let's look at the canvas. Okay, the canvas is fine. It's not as smooth as Diamond Art Club, but it's smooth, guys. It feels nice, actually. I like it. Okay, so, ooh. And then the bottom, it says Soul of the Rose by John Waterhouse, 1908. Let's unroll. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, guys. Okay, let's look quickly here, down here on the left-hand side, we have the legend. Okay, and then the first here, the first row, you have, it tells you how many colors. So you got 55. Oh, let me bring it up so you can see that. It's got 55 colors. And then in the middle is the symbols. And the symbols are what you find in the painting. Okay, I'm looking at the symbols. So you have 1 through 9. And then the rest are letters and symbols. You have alphabets and you have lowercase also. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to roll this up here so you can see the top over here. Oh, wow. And then, of course, you have the legend also. Oh, mamma mia. Let me move this out of the way. You have the legend also on the right-hand side on the top. Lots of glare. Sorry about the glare. I cannot avoid that. I'm just going to roll to see what's on the top here. Okay. Oh, this is a big, big release paper, which is nice. That's an extra. And then in the top here, it just says Distracted by Diamonds. That's their logo, by the way. Fancy lady. And then over here you have the picture. Let me see if I can move this. The picture of the painting. So it says 62 by 96 centimeters. And it's gorgeous, guys. So I'm going to try to see if I can unroll this. Oh my gosh, no, it's just too big. Wow. But look how beautiful it is. Okay, what I love about this company also, guys, is that it gives you the option. So you could either pick if you want, oh wait, I think I moved the camera. Sorry about that. It gives you the option to select if you want round or square. And also, I think, because I can't remember, but I think it also gave me the option to select ABs and crystals, in which I did. And this is poured glue. It has a clear plastic. Okay, very nice. And by the way, this painting, you could actually, I believe, Diamonds and Washi, she has an event, I think, every year, and it's called Summer with the Masters Challenge. So this painting could actually be used for that challenge or for that event. Okay. So let's look at the painting. See if I can unroll it as much as I can. All right. So we have this beautiful, beautiful lady smelling the flowers. Okay. I think those are roses. She has this beautiful bun. She has beautiful red hair. So I think these are her rosy cheeks. And it looks like she's somewhere in Europe, because you see the building here. Let me look and see if I can see the picture a little better. Okay, yeah, I think those are roses. So she could be in Italy, she could be in Spain, she could be in France. Just absolutely gorgeous because of the buildings. It has also the Spanish tiles on the top. It's very, very clear. Look at her face, it's just gorgeous. And then her hand, well rendered, excellent rendering actually. And then she's got this beautiful, beautiful gown that's like has blue and greens and yellows. Look at her other hand, leaning against the wall. And there's just beautiful, beautiful gown. I don't know what's going on, but I think I moved my camera. I apologize, guys. Yeah, let me see if I can bring it up a little bit so you can see it, how clear it is. See that? Oh my gosh, it doesn't, my camera does not focus. But it's very clear, guys. It's got a little bit of everything. So if you look up here, you've got lots of color blocking. Then our hair, you've got some confetti. And color blocking basically just means that you're going to have the same color drill for a long time. So you don't have to be changing the drills. But down here, all this, lots of confetti, which means that you're going to have to be changing the drills, changing colors. So it looks like it's got a little bit of everything. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. All right, so I'm going to just fold it back and we're going to look at the colors. Okay, so let's see. I'm not going to take them all out because as we speak, I don't know what's going on, but the air conditioner is not working again. And it's like 90 degrees up here and I am sweating. Look at my hands. Sweating bullets. Okay. So we can see some of the colors here. So we have, of course, 310. Well, of course, it has the numbers, which is nice also. These are all 310. So it's got 4 bags of 310s. And you've got some blues, some greens, some reds, some orange. Wow. It's got like every color that you could think of, guys. I love this painting. I cannot wait to get this one started. There's just so much to do, guys. Okay, and very quickly, let's look at the special drills that they suggested. I need a pair of scissors. I mean, if you think about it, it is a classic, right? So maybe you don't even need ABs, but why not? You guys know that I love a little bit of bling. Anyway, we'll see. Let's see. And these, I believe they're called crystal. Wow. This is crystal dazzlers. See that? 5 grams, which is 1,000 plus. This is $9.95 emerald. They don't call it a crystal dazzler for nothing. Let me bring the lighting over here again so you can see it better. Look at that, guys. Okay, what else did I get? So then I got a round AB, 819, which is a very, very pretty pink. I love that she puts a little flower. See here, you can see it's like an emerald. It is emerald color. And over here, it's the color of the flower. Love that. That's an AB. Here we have another round crystal dazzler. This one's ice blue. Here you have another one. This one's also crystal dazzler. Okay, so 2 of those. Then we have 2. Actually, this was empowering pink. This one's also crystal dazzler, but this is 666. I believe this is red. And then you have black diamonds, jazzy gems. They look like blue, like a navy blue. Oh, look, she sent me a candy. Okay, what's this here? Let's see. There's some stickers. Okay, it just says, thank you. We consider it a pleasure to serve you and strive to provide you with the finest diamond painting kits, diamond painting waxes and accessories that your hard-earned money can buy. Exceptional customer service is a top priority. We sincerely hope that your experience with us has been a pleasant one and that you will come back to visit us again. We wish you peace, health, and happiness. I love it. Paddywaxx and Distracted by Diamonds. Thank you, Sylvia, and enjoy. And of course, she sent me a little candy. That's going to be from Mama. Let's continue here with the ABs. You have a 907, which is a very pretty green. And this is, I believe, a candy. Oh, maybe this is Paddywaxx. It says it's black coffee. Let me smell this. Ooh, it actually smells like coffee, guys. And then, of course, you have Amethyst 209 crystal Dazzler. All right, and let's look at the stickers. So we have a little telephone, a parrot, and a little unicorn. Happy mail. Okay, I love it, love it, love it. I cannot wait to start this, but remember my thing is to basically, I'm going to start working on my old paintings or everything that I've ordered in the past, because, you know, we keep buying and then we don't work on them. So yeah. Anyway, so I'm loving this painting. And let me just bring her out again so you can see her one more last time. And I think, let's see, let me just see something very quickly here. Where are these ABs? I don't have the list of where the ABs go, but if you look at the colors, like this pink is probably for the flowers, right? The pink. Then this is emerald. So I wonder if this is for the leaves or maybe for her outfit. I'm not sure. Then you have another green one here. And then the blue ones is probably for her gown. And then this black one, I have no idea where this one goes. Then the red, probably for her hair, I'm not sure. Or it could be for the top of the houses, the red, or the flowers. And then you have purple, amethyst actually. Let me look down here. Actually, you do have purple on her hair. And you have some purple down here, some back here. And yeah, so I'm thinking, you see, you got pink here for the pink AB and some greens and some yellows. Oh my gosh, guys. Yeah, this is absolutely spectacular. I love it. All right, well, hope you guys like it too. Let me just move this lighting back again because of the glare. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. And thank you. Bye-bye.